In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert images into GIMP. Whether you're just getting started with GIMP or you've used it before and want a faster, cleaner way to bring images into your project, this walkthrough will guide you step by step. I'll keep everything simple and clear so you can follow along, even if this is your first time using the software. First, go ahead and open GIMP on your computer. Once GIMP has loaded, you'll either start with a blank workspace or an existing project. If you already have a project open, you can insert additional images into that same file. If not, you can start fresh by creating a new image from the File menu, choosing the size you need, and clicking OK. Now, to insert an image, the easiest method is to use the File menu at the top. Click on File, then choose Open as Layers. This option is important. Instead of opening your picture in a separate window, it places the image directly into your existing project as a new layer. That means you can move it, resize it, and edit it without affecting your background or other elements. After you click Open as Layers, a file browser window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, select the image you want to use, and click Open. In a moment, your image will appear in the main canvas. On the right side, in the Layers panel, you'll see it listed as a new layer above your existing layers. From here, you can adjust the image to fit your design. Select the Move tool from the toolbox. Then click and drag the image to position it exactly where you want it. If you need to resize it, choose the Scale tool. Click on the image and use the handles to make it larger or smaller. Try to keep the chain icon in the Scale dialog linked so the image doesn't get distorted. You can repeat this same process to insert multiple images into the same project. Just go back to File, choose Open as Layers again, and pick another image. Each new picture will show up as its own layer, giving you full control over order, blending, and visibility. When you're happy with everything, you can save your project as a GIMP file to preserve all the layers, and then export it as a PNG or JPEG for sharing. And that's how you easily insert images into GIMP in a clean, flexible way that's perfect for editing and design.